If you have
The workshop, the purpose of this workshop, where will pathway takes you? This one, we're giving this workshop by Toastmaster Asha Rani, an Ayurveda doctor by profession, currently a happy homemaker. 3 years before joined Toastmaster to fight fear of public speaking. Member of BKS Toastmasters Club and Angel Toastmasters Club. Immediate past president of Angel Toastmasters Club and area 13 director. So welcoming a virtual floor is yours, Toastmaster Asha Rani.
Thank you, Toastmaster of the Day. Good evening to you all once again. Today we'll have our presentation. It's not presentation actually. I want all of you to do it along with me. It's always said that involve me, then I'll remember it. So I want everyone to log into Toastmasters website. Can everyone please do that? Please tell me when you are ready. TMOD, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is the website for the Toastmasters who did icebreaker speech today. They can follow this. Imran Khan and Yunus, are you doing along with me?
yes, ma'am, we are with you.
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you. Thank you so much. Okay. This is the website. First thing you have to do is log in. If you are a new member, it's written Toastmaster members logging in for the first time, please use forgot password. So you have to click forgot password, then you'll get a mail from Toastmaster International and you can set your password, come back here, give your member ID, you can give your email ID or your membership ID and your password and log in. Since VP Education is not here, Mr. President, all the members attending today have already enrolled in Pathways, right? Is there anyone who haven't selected their path?
No, in fact, except for the new members, all of them, we have 6 new members. We are not sure how many of the 6 members have registered. Otherwise, everybody else have.
Okay, so let me tell a few things about what Pathways is all about. Pathways is our new curriculum we are following. It's very easy to follow and it's a learning experience and it's flexible and it has got so many benefits that it helps us to build 300 unique competencies and it is in 11 languages and it's online so we can access it anytime, anywhere. Those are the benefits and we have got 11 paths according to your wish. You can select your path, then you can watch and learn. So many resources are here. Then you have got a sample video. There are FAQ. So those are the things you get in education. If you want to learn more about Pathways, you can use this Pathways learning experience and you can read all these things. Everything is there clear. What we are going to cover is the second one next to about this Pathways. If you are new and you want to choose a path, you have to click choose a path. When you click choose a path, this page will appear and there you can select your language. If there are 11, Pathways is in 11 languages. If you want English, you can select that or else any other language you wish, you can select. Then you can, first path is always free. It's second path you have to pay $20. If you want a printed version, you will have to pay $25. We are all opting the digital version. I opted the digital version. So select the digital resource And what you have to do is continue. This will move to another page where you will get a set of questions. Okay. This is it. This is what you get. You can be all the paths here. You can learn deeply what it is, all the path, what it is dealing with. You can view path option here. You can take an assessment. There are a lot of questions Pathways is going to ask so that they can give you 3 paths of which is suitable for you. This is the self-assessment. You can start and you can answer all those questions, and the path Toastmasters International will provide you with 3 paths according to your answers. If you don't like those paths, you can select your own. So that is path selection. Once you select your path, you can go to Basecamp. This is not at all difficult. Just spend a little time every day and get used to it. So this is the main page. This is the main page. And if you are a dual member, I don't know whether there are dual members, you will get 2 clubs like this, or else 1 club only. No confusion. Just go to Basecamp. TMOD, are you with me?
Yes, madam.
Are you
Toastmaster, I am with you.
Yes,
okay?
yes,
And
same with me.
the icebreaker speaker, are they?
Yes, we are very much with you.
Okay. This is the page where we get when we click on go to Basecamp. Path and learning education transcript. This is where we get all our speeches. So click on that. Here is the path you have selected. Imran Khan, which path have you selected? May I know, please? My path is motivational strategies. What is yours? Or TMOD, can you say what your path is?
Mine is dynamic leadership.
Dynamic leadership, okay. And Imran, what is yours?
Yeah, engaging humor.
Oh, engaging humor. Okay.
You're good for that. Mm.
Yeah, truly. And Yunus, the second speaker?
Presentation master.
Presentation master. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Now we can open your curriculum. Open curriculum. In open curriculum, you will get first level. The icebreaker speakers, you will see first level. Are you seeing it? First level.
Yes.
Icebreaker you can see, and you can activate it. Activate, then this launch button will come. Okay. Since I have finished all my level 1 projects, it's all tick here. So I'll show in the level 5 what happens when you click on the launch button. When you click on the launch button, it goes to another window, and are you seeing a begin? In anybody seeing a begin? Project 1 icebreaker speakers, are you seeing a begin button anywhere when you press launch?
Yes, 1 second. Yeah. Launch button, I get into it.
Yeah. My open curriculum is having some problem. It's coming. Okay, launch. Did you click on launch, and do you see a begin?
Yeah, it's starting something.
Okay.
Toastmaster Asharani, I think there is some site is loading, or everyone is getting same message.
Yeah, everyone. Okay. So anybody is having fast internet, they can share the screen. Anyone?
Yeah, I do have this one begin.
Okay, you do have, then can you share? I am stopped sharing. Okay. Mine is here. Okay, no problem. Mine is here.
Yeah,
Fine,
we
I
can see
do
that.
got it.
Okay. So
So shall I stop my sharing?
when you click, no, it's okay. Can you see mine?
Yes, yes, we can.
Okay. Okay. This is the page when we click on launch. This is the page that opens. Okay. The project number, the level and project and what the project name is. And you have to click on begin. Then you get the introduction of the project. Then you move forward, click on the side arrow. And here you get the purpose and overview of your project. You also get a checklist. You can click on that. Then move forward. Here, this is the main part. Before a speech, before giving a speech, you have to access your skills. That is, you will get a set of questions and you have to answer it before the speech. That's very, very important. There are some 5 questions, you answer it. Then you go give your speech. Icebreaker icebreaker speakers, are you there? Are you getting
Yeah.
like this?
Yes, already I filled it. Now I'm at the after.
Okay, after you.
First session.
Okay, after. My project is very long, so it's so detailed. Explanations are there, so I have to move forward. Okay. After skills. This is after skills. Even though you just click, it will come like congratulations, you have completed your project. But when you open your curriculum, it won't be a tick because I didn't submit the answers. Once you submit the answers only, you will get a tick mark. Okay. Imran, did you finish your after assessment?
After assessment, no, I didn't, sir. I didn't finish.
You're not doing with me? Along with
Yeah,
me?
I'm doing it. I'm just waiting that when you come to the after, that's why I was just waiting.
Okay. Finish that. Okay.
Because anyhow, it is the after process, no? So I have to be after you.
Yeah. You do the after assessment and submit it and come back and check whether the icebreaker speech, there is a tick. Okay. This is the process. When you're giving a speech, definitely do the before assessment and finish your speech, come back, then do your after assessment. This is the main thing. And if you have to do everything by yourself, then only it will be uploaded. So it's very, very important. Can we move forward?
Yes.
How long? How much time do I have? 20 minutes, not enough for all these things. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. We are on time.
Okay. Now again, we are. That's about the projects. Now we are going to the home page. Please take home page. Another important thing is evaluation, speech evaluation. All the speeches we do will have evaluations. And where can we find the evaluation forms? It is in the speech evaluations. Take evaluations, and all the evaluation forms you need is in the alphabetic order here. Icebreaker speech, if you are, and you should take the evaluation forms and launch it, download it, and send it to your evaluator before giving the speech. That is a must. And once your speech is over, make sure that your evaluation forms are filled and sent back to you by your evaluator. This is the evaluation form. So whichever evaluation form you need, it's in the speech evaluations. Again, going back. Now we take roles in all the meetings. What do you do after that? Timer. Today's timer. I want to. Timer, are you there?
Yeah, Toastmaster Wasim.
Timer, are you doing along with me?
Yes.
Okay. Or TMOD. TMOD also is okay. On the right extreme, you'll get a gear. Can you see? On the right top. Can you see that?
Yes.
Somebody. Can you see on the right top, my account, log out, search your photo, then a gear, settings thing?
Yes.
Okay. My account, can you see?
Yeah.
Yes.
Modi,
Yes, yes, I can.
Yes.
please click on my account.
Okay.
My account. Then your profile will open and all the roles you'll find here. Accountant, whatever it is, you just timer. You can click on the calendar and select today's date and save it. Whichever role you take from accountant to topics master, every role you have to save it here, because certain levels you need to do certain roles. That's a must. So don't forget to save it here. That's about the role players and the roles. Now again, going back, you have got tutorials and resources here. You can find it yourself. You can explore whatever it is. You can do it yourself. Then another thing is feedback. When you give a speech, definitely we are getting a feedback from our evaluator. But if you want a feedback from your friends or fellow Toastmasters, you can request them for feedback. It's here. You can type here. You can request, please give me feedback. And also, if you want any particular person to give feedback, you can definitely give their name and send it to them. Then another thing is, like we can give feedback to others. That is, we can also ask for badges. Okay, that also I'll cover up. Then we can give feed up to our fellow Toastmasters. In my club, I'll give feedback to my friend Nina. Select her name. Okay, select her name and select feedback and share your feedback here. And you can also give badges here. You can click and give the badges: adaptable, collaborative, courageous, exceptional, innovative, and inspirational. You can, you Toastmasters can give badges and the feedback to Eunice and also Imran Khan today. I will give Imran Khan and Eunice inspirational. Those are the badges. If I was a member there, I would have given that. So that those are about the feedback. Then you can view badges here. Since we don't have any, we only have virtual badges and pins. It's very fun also to collect these badges. I have managed to collect some 20 badges. Few are from Toastmasters International. Then if you want, it's not necessary or compulsory. If you want, you can save all your files. I mean, level 1, level 2, your speeches, your certificates, whatever you need. You can save it here. Why? Because if you want to refer or for future use, you can save it. I have 8 files in my level 1. So because once the speech is over, maybe we don't remember what speech we did, and also it's better to save here. That's about documents. Those are the main things we have to know regarding pathways. Am I on time?
Yes, madam, you have only 5 minutes.
I have 5 minutes more.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then I'll ask question answers. Let's see who followed what I said. Are you all ready?
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's it. So can I stop sharing now?
Yes.
Okay. Now question answer time. Even though I was in a hurry, this Toastmasters International is now pathways or old syllabus also. What is it now? It's a rapid fire, okay? What is the
Pathways.
curriculum? Pathways only. How many languages? Pathways is available in how many languages?
7.
11.
How many?
11.
7.
Oh, wrong, President. President, you're wrong.
11.
How many?
11.
Yes. TM Modi, 1 point. Then,
2.
huh? Then how many
First-
paths are there? How many paths are there?
11.
11.
Okay. Our guest got 1 point. Okay.
Jim got it.
Yeah, Jim. Then what is the path that is Imran Khan is doing which path?
Humorous.
No, name is there.
Yeah.
It's engaging humor.
Is doing engaging humor. Yeah.
Yes, yes. It's a rapid fire. Okay. Then where do you save all your role players things like
In
In your
the so-
profile.
where?
Account.
My
And the
account.
lady,
Profile.
no, I want to hear. Okay.
My account.
In the profile.
In the
Yeah.
profile and there's a gear and you click on my account and yes, president is also
Yes.
correct. Then what? Then can we save our documents in I mean our speeches, our other certificates, etc. in anywhere in the TI
In the
website?
folder.
It's a
Yes,
file.
you can.
In the My Documents.
My documents, yes. Then how many badges are there? How many badges? Did anybody count?
I think 7.
No.
20.
No, I did not count.
How many?
20.
No. I mean, how many badges are there in TI, in pathways?
11 maybe?
No, only 6 badges.
Oh, okay.
Anybody, can you name one badge?
Inspirational.
Inspirational.
Inspirational, yeah. Very good. What's your name? Anuradha, yeah. Then what? How many levels are there in each path?
5.
5.
Rapid fire. How many levels?
5.
5. Only 5 levels. How many speeches? I didn't say that. How many speeches you have to cover when you complete one path minimum?
3.
4. 3 to 4.
It's
yeah.
14. It's 14. 14 speeches. Okay. 14 mandatory, 10 mandatory speeches and 4 elective speeches. So fun, right? Pathways is so fun. Don't stop doing speeches. Do speeches. It's very, very, very easy. And if you have any doubts, we Pathways managers are there to help at any time. Alan is there, and myself is also there. We'll leave our numbers. Definitely contact us if you have any doubt and regarding Pathways. That's it. Am I on time?
Yes, Madam Toastmaster.
Yes. Don't forget whatever I said. Okay. When I meet you, I'll ask questions. I am very, very much.
We have a recorded
interested in-
session. We have a recorded session. So next time you can watch our YouTube channel. So
My
there
God, you
can
recorded
find-
all these things.
Yes.
Good God. I didn't want that. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank
Can I
you
say-
so much, Toastmaster Asharan. Anybody is having any questions to ask?
I have Mr. TMOD. Can I ask my question?
I know you know the answer also.
Okay, the question is, has anyone told Toastmaster Asharani that any instructor or coach or mentor ask number of questions, that number of Kit Kats they have to give to our members?
I was told to give Galaxy. How come this Kit Kat?
No, we are IT professionals. We have galaxies already. We have multiple of those. We all love Kit Kats.
Okay.
Back to you,
Thank
TMOD.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you,
I'm keeping
BPM
account.
Khala Jalal. Now we will move on